What's up, YouTube? And I'm back at it again. It's your girl, Big Baby G. I got two special guests.
3 times for your mind, TJ.
3 times for your mind fat.
And what are we eating, baby?
We eating sausage.
Seafood.
Yeah, seafood with shrimp.
Shrimp,
Sausage
corn,
and corn.
sausage, and potato.
Yes, sir. We about to dig in, baby. Hey, hey, yay, hey. Yes, sir.
Alright, y'all, finna get into it.
Put a long way. It's fancy crap.
Okay, you need to put over mine.
About to
You
get
can't
into
see
it.
mine. If I can't see you, and I can't see me and mine. And yours. There you go. We about to dig in this, baby. Say the grace.
God is good, God is great. Thank you for his food and say amen.
Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Fast food, man.
Huh?
I'm sorry, y'all. We gotta be crammed up right now. Y'all see, baby? See what we got. Y'all look at that. Look at all that. How y'all doing today? So we doing good.
Gatorade.
We doing good. We doing good today. How y'all doing out there? We doing good.
Say it.
I bet you will. I'm too towards the green. If you done, my turn.
Be quiet, Mackenzie. Woo. That's some good stuff.
For real.
What y'all think? Hey, man. Two fellas, 3 times for your mind game, man. We ain't been uploading on their channel.
Yeah.
I ain't been uploading on my channel.
Because we
trying to see something, you know what I'm saying?
What we gonna do?
We gonna get this back active.
But make sure y'all subscribe.
3 times for
3 times for your mind channel.
3 times for your mind game. You know what I'm saying? We got the other member. Come on, man. Step in the camera.
We got the other member.
We got the other member right here. 3 times for your mind game. Sexy chocolate in the building. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah, looking butt.
I bet this hot. She put all that seasoning in there.
So good. How y'all think it tastes?
Good.
Hey, give me my camera. You know,
1 out of 10. I give it a straight 10.
Same.
Scoot over, fast. Give me my camera. We trying to work these. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Y'all want to shrimp? Y'all want to shrimp?
Y'all we doing this because we recording on 2 phones. And make sure y'all go to it.
Yes, sir. Look at him. Hey, y'all, he's scared to eat in the camera. This one right here. 3 times for your mind fat. That boy gonna eat. He gonna eat like me. I'm gonna eat. That want some there? That want some there? Potatoes. Hey, these are the best potatoes to buy. Boy. Look at this. Boy, you bite into them, boy. They good. They real good. I'm telling you. Why you eating so fat? My nephew eats so fast too, it's pitiful.
Who, me?
Both of them, they mouth burning. That's what they get.
Nah, mine's not.
Mine better from there.
Well, a little bit. Because
That spice in the corn.
I can't even get this thing.
That stuff I put in the liquor in.
Yeah, y'all.
My nephew told me he cooked this.
But he lying.
I did. My little say I did.
Come on, big boy.
Let's go up and get your stuff.
Fat, get in my camera. We got dark chocolate and we got light chocolate, baby.
Caramel.
He said he caramel. Yes, sir. Gotta eat all the sausage. Fat boy wanna eat all the sausage. Look at him. He wanna do put a sausage
I'm scared to get the,
sausage and shrimp together.
I'm scared to get the corn good.
That corn gonna be hot. And you know it. Why you wait over here for a shrimp is right there in your face? Sausage, shrimp, and corn together. What y'all think?
Say corn.
What y'all think? Sausage. We ain't gonna put that corn on there. Corn too hot. Look at that. Mmm. 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 Couldn't beat that, boy. Tell you.
How she forgot what
No,
her
it
song
ain't.
was.
I'm not playing how we used to do. I'm used to that, y'all.
Should do it first when you drink out.
I'll stop now. They want to get in this video with me. I'm looking kind of rough, y'all. Excuse that. Because I don't care. Don't care. I don't care. What y'all doing today, man? Y'all make sure y'all
Put in the comments how y'all day been doing.
like, comment, subscribe. Big Baby G. And what?
3 times for your mind
Play
fat.
mind game.
And 3 times for your mind game, man. Guys, subscribe to their channel, man. We're trying to run it up.
Y'all been doing challenge.
Man, they run it up. Man, they run it up. Yeah. We ain't playing no games, man. 2021. 2021 is our year.
A little bit.
We're going to turn up. We're going to turn up. Y'all go follow me on Instagram at GABRIELLEGRANT56.
And go follow me on TikTok as the callers read.
Add me on Instagram, info_TJ. Add me on Snapchat, King_G2901.
Yes, sir. I can't say my Snapchat name, man. It's too explicit.
I guess I can do
No, I am.
it.
I did.
Yeah, sure.
Got 3 more potato left for y'all.
Eat corn. Eat corn.
No, I'm not gonna eat no corn. Look, I have my mouth burning.
He want to eat all. He want to eat the shrimp. Corn ain't hot. Tripping over here.
What?
Corn ain't even hot.
What because?
Man, bite the corn. I don't taste nothing hot. Bite it and see.
You say you were YouTube.
What is you talking about? Dude, you over here tripping. He tripping.
Corn not even hot.
He
bro.
tripping.
Tripping.
I don't know what he got going on right now.
I been
But he
doing.
tripping right now. Y'all want to bite? Sorry. You too big, baby. You got left for myself. But I will share if you will.
Yeah. Take me for the
Yes, sir. 3 times for your mind game. 2021 is our year, man. We ain't been uploading. But 2021, we finna get it back right.
No stopping.
They all stay in different areas, so it's just kind of hard to upload.
I still
Without
do it. They still do it.
here, like y'all know where Newton at. We in Texas, so. But they in, like,
Yeah, we still
in different, like, towns and
we
stuff.
live in Newton. I live in Jackson, but like across the town.
So it's kind of hard to upload, but we gonna figure it out. 2021, that year, we gonna get them right. Put it down. 2021, we gonna get it right for them. I ain't worried about me. Yes, sir. Look at him. Look at his mouth burning back there. Yeah, look how he looking. Both of these my big nephews. Got your big nephews and your big aunt. Hey, they ain't going nowhere till this food gone, you hear me? They ain't going nowhere till this food gone, y'all hear me? They ain't going nowhere. When all this gone, they gonna get up. Like ain't nothing happened. Then about 20 minutes later, they hungry again.
The
These
corn,
two my big nephews, man.
that corn, we got a little spice in it at the end.
Hey, give me another one.
The corn,
Yeah.
all right. Got 2 more corn though. Get it to him.
Awesome.
Want a bite?
Yeah, yeah.
Can't believe they ain't camera shot, cause usually they be camera shot. Me too sometimes, but I think it's funny.
Yeah.
Ain't no camera shot. We're gonna get in this camera. Hey. Pause that, cause we don't know rights to the music.
Please.
Pause that.
Put my phone on.
Put it down.
You don't want to get copyrighted.
You ain't trying to get copyrighted.
Radio.
Oh, that's good right there.
That hold down. Here.
We got it's 2 more potatoes left. We're gonna eat them. Yeah, eat a whole. Yeah, get all that seasoning.
Y'all, man.
Excuse
Y'all
me.
need to comment down below or hit us up on Instagram. What else y'all want us to do? If y'all want us to continue doing the MukBang, because we want our channel to be versatile. We want MukBangs, pranks,
Anything y'all want.
all that.
So comment down
Anything
below.
to make our fans happy.
So comment
We
down
down
below.
for it.
What paper something good?
Comment down below. What YouTube channel we should do.
We down for it. He ain't mean no YouTube channel. He said comment down below on the YouTube channel. What y'all want them to do. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want them to do pranks. If you want to see us eat, again, me and my 2 big old twins, nephews. Oh my goodness. Man. I enjoyed this MukBang, man. What about y'all?
Yeah.
Look at him. This nigga back here. Look at him. He back here. He still eat.
Any
Give
paper
him a
towel.
paper towel.
Open it.
Yes.
Hey.
God, you ain't even getting no paper towel.
Yes.
Y'all, this is over with.
Oh yeah, show the merch, man.
Oh yeah, show the merch.
Show the merch.
For real, y'all. So
Shut your camera down. Show the merch, man. Get up, show the merch. Come on, let them see your merch. Y'all see the merch, man.
for real.
Forever real, FER, man. We forever real over here. That's my other nephew merch. You know what I'm saying? It's dropped Forever real, man. We got some most exclusive. We got some more exclusive. It stop, fat. Yeah, stop. Get him on.
Alright.
We got some more exclusive stuff coming for you guys. Yes, sir. Read.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
And hit that little
Like button, hitting that bell. Let's go.